In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal balance instead of a credit card online. If you want PayPal to use the money already available in your account first, this is a quick setting you can change in just a moment. It's useful if you'd rather spend your PayPal balance before charging a linked card, and once this preference is updated, PayPal will prioritize that balance whenever it's available for eligible purchases. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to the Wallet section. This is the area where PayPal shows your available payment methods, including your balance, any linked bank accounts, and any connected cards. If you've never looked through this section before, it's basically the control center for how your payments are handled. Once you're in the wallet, look for your PayPal balance among the payment options shown on the screen. Select your PayPal balance so you can view the available settings for it. This is the important step because you want to make sure PayPal recognizes your balance as the payment method you want to use first whenever possible. After selecting your balance, choose the option that says Set as Preferred. This tells PayPal that your balance should be the default funding source instead of your connected credit card. In other words, when you check out online with PayPal, the system will try to use your PayPal balance before moving on to other payment methods. Once that setting has been saved, you're all set. From now on, PayPal will prefer to pay using your available balance rather than your linked credit card. Just keep in mind that this applies when your balance is available and sufficient for the purchase. If there isn't enough money in your balance to cover the full amount, PayPal may still use another backup payment method connected to your account. That's really all there is to it. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over how your online payments are processed. If you're trying to avoid charging your card unnecessarily, this preferred payment setting is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to make PayPal use your balance first when paying online.